This is going to be a 5-part series on getting to know me. I am the artist Darren Cannell, who is in charge of the Drawing Digitally YouTube channel and the Drawing Digitally online course that I have designed. The two of them work hand in hand. So a lot of the videos that you see on the YouTube, you'll also find in my online course. The only thing that the online course does that the YouTube channel doesn't do is organizes everything, puts it together, and puts in the fillers that explain how this video is important and how you should be viewing this video and how you should be using it in order to understand how to become a better digital artist. When you talk about a digital artist, there's no difference between me as a digital artist or me as an artist, watercolor artist, or me as an oil painting artist, or me as an acrylic artist, or me as a scratchboard artist. All of the different mediums, and I consider digital to be a medium, allows you to put your creativity and to put onto the page what you want to share with the general community. 5-part series is going to be broken up as follows. The first one, I'm going to talk about how I got into art and why art became a big part of my life. The second one is why I never went to school to learn art. The third part of this 5-part series is why I don't like art galleries. The fourth one is why abstract art is a pain for an art teacher. The fifth one is why should you subscribe to my channel and why you should take my online. So that's my intro. What do you think so far?